Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to unmute a video post on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, when you're using it on your PC. This is based on the newest update, and the process is super simple once you know where to look. Let's get right into it. First, open the X app on your computer. You can do this either through the desktop application or by visiting the website directly in your browser. Once you're logged in, your home timeline should appear just like usual. Next, scroll through your feed or go to a specific profile until you find the video you want to watch. Videos on X now autoplay silently by default, so don't worry if you don't hear sound right away. After you've found the video, move your mouse pointer over it. As you hover over the video, you'll notice a few icons appear on the screen. These give you quick controls without having to open extra menus. Now, look for the small speaker or mute icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the video. If the video is currently muted, the icon will have a slash through it. All you need to do is click on that icon once, and instantly, the sound will turn on. You should now hear the audio from the video clearly. The icon will change to show that it's unmuted. If you ever want to mute it again, just click the same icon once more. It's that simple. This quick one-click design from the latest X update makes it easier than ever to control sound directly while browsing videos. Whether you're watching a funny clip, a live event, or a trending post, you now know exactly how to manage the sound with no confusion. That's all you need to do to unmute a video on the X app for PC. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more simple, straight-to-the-point tech guides. Thanks for watching.